Hello Centero customers and welcome to our next video tutorial how to reset the holding registers of a Centero device. Centero devices feature two types of registers, input registers and holding registers. The input registers cannot be modified, they are not changeable and they simply give information for measured values such as temperature, relative humidity, CO2 level, ambient light or many other parameters. The holding registers can be separated into two major parts. The first ones are the communication parameters like slave ID, baud rate or parity, and the second part are the operational parameters such as set points, alerts, maximum ranges and so on. In order to reset the communication parameters without removing the device out from the Modbus network, you simply can use this small jumper. Let's assume you have put this device to a Modbus network and you don't want to disconnect it in order to reset your communication parameters. So for this reason, you can use this small jumper, put it between pin number 1 and pin number 2 on the programming pin header P1, and you can wait for the 3 LEDs to shortly blink. This is your indication that the communication parameters have been reset to default values, like it just happened. The main advantage of TrueSM Center software provided by Centero company is that you can choose which type of the holding registers you want to put back to default values, the communication parameters or the operational parameters. If you want to put back the communicational parameters, you can simply choose between slave ID, which is number 1, baud rate, which is number 2, or parity, which is number 3, and simply press the modify button. There you can put your default value and simply click OK. If you want to reset the operational parameters, you don't need to go through all of them, but you can simply use the register number 10, put it to reset, click OK, and all your operational registers starting from number 11 to the end of the Modbus card will be resetted back to default values.